Okay, so this is our bony fish. I've just taken off the scales and the muscle underneath. Before I open this fish up properly, I want you to just notice the bony ribs going across the side of the fish. Obviously, sharks don't have this, so this is a really nice example. We can see down at the bottom here a bit of intestine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to finish cutting away the rest of this muscle, so we can see inside. And you sort of need to, it comes away quite easily. Those of you who cook a lot of fish will know that it comes away quite easily, but you can just cut it quite easily. These are not particularly strong bones. Now here, we've got the backbone and quite a large amount of tissue between the backbone and the top of the fish. So we've got several structures in here I'm just going to pull apart. Now, because this fish is, both of these fish are a little bit sort of defrosted, it can be quite difficult to tell some of the structures apart. So what I'm going to do is supplement this with another video, so you can see a detailed, more detail going into the digestive organs, talk about the swim bladder. But the structure that I want you to look at today is in this fish here. So I've already dissected this one. What I want you to look at on this fish is the operculum I have removed. So that's that there. I've just removed it. This is a bony skin flap that I've taken off. And underneath we've got gill arches sitting on one on top of the other. So we've got 4 of these. So I'm just going to lift these up so you can see. So unlike the shark, where they were sort of separated like this and they were exposed to the outside, the operculum covers all of these. So we've got the gill arch and we've got the filaments sticking out. So each of these stacked one on top of the other. And if you remember, it is the bony fish that have the operculum covering the gill slits, but also the holocephali sharks, so the more sort of ancient sort of offshoot of the conjuncthes. So these are the filaments, these sort of stringy bits, and I have taken apart I've cut through the jaw as well, so you can see that the mouth leads directly into the gill chamber, which sits directly behind the gills here. And so oxygen will be exchanged. The gas exchange occurs here, and as I said, we'll have a gas exchange lecture separate to this. One thing I did forget to point out before is that on top of on the dorsal side of the fish, we've got the nostrils as part of the sensory organs. So as I said, there will be another video which will talk you through more of the structures inside. But the most important thing with regards to the bony fish is seeing the sort of stacking of the gill arches, one on top of the other behind the operculum here. Okay.